This is question 36 from section B of the 2018 PBSAA paper. In this question, we're given a sequence and told its first 5 terms are 2, 17, 42, 77 and 122. And we're additionally told the sequence's nth term is given by the formula Pn squared plus Q, where P and Q are integers. And we're asked to find P minus Q over P plus Q. So how do we go about this? Well, we're asked to find P minus Q over P plus Q. So unless we get lucky, we're probably just going to have to find P and Q. So how do we do this? Well, all our information is here, because we've got a general formula for any n, and some examples of what happens when n's 1, n's 2, n's 3, etc. So this is where all our equations are going to come from. So let's shove in n equals 1 and see what happens. So if we do that, get p lots of 1 squared plus q is equal to 2. So we can write that a little bit better. We can just get rid of this 1 squared. So p plus q is equal to 2. And let's call that equation 1. Because as you may have guessed, we're going to get simultaneous equations here. Because we're going to do exactly the same for 17. So n equals 2. So p lots of 2 squared plus q is equal to 17, because it's the second term, which 4p plus q equals 17 is naturally comes from it, because 2 squared is 4. And you've guessed it, let's call this equation 2. So we want to solve equation 1 and equation 2 for p and q. What's the easiest way to do that? Well, we see if we minus one of the equations from the other, we'll get rid of the q term. I'm going to choose to do 2 minus 1. Mainly because it keeps this p term, it'll be 4p minus p, so it'll keep it positive, and it'll keep this positive 2, 17 minus 2. It just makes the algebra a little bit easier. So we get 3p is equal to 17 minus 2, which is 15, and so p equals 5, which is great. And to get q, we'll just shove that back into 1. So 5 plus q is equal to 2, so q is equal to minus 3. And so we've got p and q, but we're not finished, because we're asked to find this, which is fairly easy, but it just needs to be remembered to be done. So let's shove in p and q. So we get 5 minus 3, 5 plus minus 3. Just the brackets here, just to be careful, because this is a little bit messy. And so the numerator goes to 8, the denominator goes to 2, 8 over 2 is 4. And so we find our answer is G, because 4 is option G in a multiple choice.